The 5 challenges of being an Adamsonian.
By the way, I'm Cyril.
And I am Jeff.
And I'm Nika. We're from grade 11.
ABM.
We're going to show you the first challenge. We're just going there right now. So please keep on watching. Don't hold or skip the video, okay?
Oh. Hey guys!
We're back. And we're about to show you now the first challenges of...
Being an Adamsonian.
You see, when your classroom or your homeroom is at the top floor of the building, the first challenge you're going to encounter is the stairs.
Oh.
And you see, we're actually going to our room right now. Hey, where's Nika?
Hey, Nika is already tired. Come on, let's go.
Okay, so the first challenge is the stairs. When you're going upstairs for about, let's see, 4th to 5th floor, and your heart starts beating fast, and
you're already exhausted. Here we are at the 4th floor. Yeah, can you see that?
and we're now about to show you the second challenge
Challenge of being an Adamsonian.
Hey guys, we're now going to show you the second challenge of being an Adamsonian. The second challenge is going to the comfort room. The reason why the comfort room is one of our challenges in being an Adamsonian because the classroom is so damn cold because the air conditioner is at the maximum that you can see the glasses fog or your eyeglasses fog, and that's why. And you have to urinate, you have to hold it in because the teachers won't let you go out after class or when you're in the quiz or exam. So that's why we included the comfort room for being one of the challenges of being an Adamsonian. Hey guys, what are you doing?
Hi.
We're doing our assignment and planning about our videos. So we're actually, the third challenge of being an Adamsonian, actually it's a true fact. Ask any Adamson student and you'll know that grade 11 senior high school has a lot of tight schedule to be exact, has a lot of assignment, projects, and the due line, they will give the due line is amount of period of time, and you don't know what to do or what to do anymore because you're going to procrastinate whether you like it or not. And this is the primary example. Hey guys, we are Alexa. Right now we're going to show you the fourth challenge of being an Adamson. Fourth challenge is
We go to Siesta. Eat there. It smells like food.
we stay too long in the siesta until soon you will smell like the dishes. Especially the hairs of the girl.
Yeah.
It smells so right.
Now my hair smells so loud. And
No, sorry, I'm just eating right now. I'm too hungry.
yeah, laundry. So now we are in the Paslong Way.
We're going to show you the last and foremost challenge of
Being an Adamsonian.
is due to the fact that some students live far away from the Adamson University, and when they woke up and had to rush to go to school and they are stuck from the traffic, come to the university is it's already 5 minutes until class starts. So their enemy is the Falcon Walkway because it's so long that it consumes almost 5 minutes just to arrive at the church or the SB church. Already late. So that's why the Falcon
but not all the students of Adamsonian, just some of them.
So that concludes our vlog.
So-
Showing there are other challenges, but we just showed you the 5 most
Five.
common or
The 5 challenges.
So you will see, or any student in the Adamson will face. So thank you for
Thank you for
watching.
watching.
Bye-bye.